In this super quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make these fun watercolor looking paint pen hearts. So mainly you have to just make sure you have water-based paint pens to trace your heart onto your rock, and then just with a damp paintbrush go along the edge and let the paint bleed into the center of the heart. Now I do have a few tips for you. As you can see, I blew out my top edge. We're going to fix that a little bit later. We're going to do 3 different heart combinations here. 3 different colors, and I'm going to share with you just a couple of things with each of them. So we've got the purple heart, the teal heart, and the blue heart here. It's easier to rotate your rock so that you can be careful not to go outside of the edges. As you saw in that first heart, I tried to work my way around without spinning it, and you know what? I went out the lines. So let them dry completely, and then you can come back and add on a second heart right on top so that they're kind of overlapping in one section, and then the other section's just off to the side. Do the same technique, work your way around the heart, letting it bleed to the center. Now on this second teal heart, I put down too much paint and it ended up being almost a solid teal heart. So if you have that happen when you're going around your rock, all you need to do is just come in, add a little more water, and use like a Q-tip to kind of dab up a little bit of the saturation. And if you need to tap around with a damp brush just to get that blend back, go for it. Now I grabbed the wrong purple here doing my second purple heart. So if you're saying, why does that look so different? That's why it's a slightly different color. Now, touch up those edges, grab an X-Acto knife and just scratch, scratch, scratch the surface of your rock, and you can fix the mistake. This purple heart was a little too dark for me as well, so I wanted to dab up some of that extra paint. This gives me a little bit of a lighter color in the middle so that you can add an initial with the color that you used for your original heart, and it will still stand up off your rock. What do you think?